guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chisom here, and today I have this hair review for you guys. It's from a company called Chisom. If you watched the video on my pink hair, that's the same company that I got it from. So this company is an Amazon based company. So yeah, that's about that. For the price of the hair, I got it for I should have added the drum roll effect instead of using my actual mouth. Anyway, for the price of the hair, it was $39.99. That's $40, but anyway, in my opinion, it is still, you know why? Because on other websites you find stuff. I already said this in my last video. Like on other websites, you find this hair for like $70, $80, $90. In fact, sometimes you even find it for like $100+, and it's a synthetic hair. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Anyway, yeah, so I got hair for $40, you guys. That is still, believe me, because this hair is long, it's full, it's really nice. Yeah, so let's get into the pros and the cons of this hair. So one of the pros for this hair is that it takes heat. And now, remember last time in my other video, I don't know why I keep referencing to that video, but anyway, in my other video I talked about the hair not being able to curl. I didn't think that it would look nice being curled up, but for this hair I feel like you can curl it, because I saw a picture of someone in the review section like curled it up and it looked really nice. And the reason being that this hair is quite dense, you guys. This hair is really dense, not like super dense, but like it's more dense than the other one. So yeah, you can curl it up, you can straighten it out. It was easy to style, it was easy to pluck, it was inexpensive. Yeah, so those are the pros for the hair. So let's get into the cons of this hair. This hair tangles badly, you guys. Like, I'll show you. Hopefully it actually tangles, so it won't look like I'm saying what I don't know. Okay, so see. Yeah, see how difficult it is for it to come to, like, yeah, yeah, it's super difficult to comb through. But I don't like, that's not much of a problem because it's straight hair. So like, if it tangles, all you have to do is just go from like under and then work your way up and, you know, get all the knots away. But like, yeah, it tangles like really badly. Another con about this hair is that it sheds, but I feel like the reason why it sheds is because when I plucked it, like the remnants of the hair that didn't come out with my hand like remained on the hair. So when I combed it out, it came out with this thing. But well, I mean, like, it doesn't, I wouldn't say that it sheds like so much, but it did shed when I was working on it. It came under 2 days. It came inside this, I feel like this is their standard packaging or whatnot, pretty basic. I don't know, I'm showing you guys, but well, in case you just wanted to know. And it had this card that hair companies normally put inside about care for the hair and stuff like that. The length of the hair, which is 24 inches, you guys. It's really I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really long. It also came with this wig cap, nude wig cap. I like this. I like that they give nude wig caps, not black, not lace. Like, this is actually the best. Right now, underneath my wig, there's no wig cap. Like, I literally just put it on my head. That you guys know I don't have strength. Like, I don't have time to be you know, as fast as it comes out nice at the end, because I'll end up taking it off like before I go to bed. So I don't like really stress about putting a wig cap and then got to be gluing it down for like 2 hours and stuff like that. So I just put the got to be glue on my forehead and put the wig down and stuff like that. So yeah, I feel like that's all that I have to say about this gorgeous hair. Let me know in the comment section if you like it, because I do. Like, I really love it. Red looks good on me. Red looks good on me, guys. Like, I was so excited to try this hair because I've never done red hair before, and I really love it. I really love the outcome of the hair. Yeah, I feel like that's all I have to say about it. I might actually end up cutting this into a bob, but like this time no, I'm not going to cut it like for this video. Like, I'll actually take my time and then make it into a bob. So let's see how that goes. Hopefully I'll come back with another video showing you guys how it turned out to be and stuff like that. So yeah, that's about that for today. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more hair reviews, more cheap hair reviews, more affordable hair reviews. I don't be doing those $400 hair. I mean, we're college students, let's be realistic. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, rest of your week, rest of your month, rest of your year, and I'll see you guys in my next one.